Welcome to the ultimate IPTV experience today. Let's unlock the magic of SmartersPro. SmartersPro partners with 2tv.store for excellence. Discover amazing content with this powerful app. Let's set up your IPTV player step by step. Start by downloading the SmartersPro application. Open the app and input your credentials. Next, select your preferred streaming plan. Now navigate to the Channels section. Explore movies, shows, and sports channels. Need help? Let's look at troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection if issues occur. Reboot your application for a fresh start. Always ensure your app is updated. After setup, it's time to enjoy seamless entertainment. Experience the joy of having many options. Hear what users are saying about SmartersPro. Join millions who trust SmartersPro for IPTV. What are the benefits of using 2tv.store? Cost-effective, reliable, and user-friendly service. Let's remind you to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon for instant updates. Keep connecting for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.